Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fill a save with an image in Canva using your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Canva app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap on search bar at the top and search saves. Then tap the save you want. It will appear on your canvas. Then tap photos or upload to select an image from Canva on your iPhone. Drag and drop the image directly into the save. It will automatically fill the save. To adjust the image inside the save, double tap the save. You can pinch to zoom in or out and drag to reposition the image until it fits perfectly. You can also resize the save by drag corners. The image will stay fitted. If you want different image, tap replace and choose a new one from your uploads or Canva library. You can add filters, adjust transparency or even layer text on top to make your design look extra creative. And that's all. That's how you fill a save with an image in Canva on phone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.